Tim, I'm.
Hey folks, good morning. Welcome to Smile Jamaica. It's morning time, believe it or not.
What?
It is December
Yay! 1. So how come we didn't play the...
December 1.
How come we didn't play the X days to Christmas?
No,
Come on, Mr. Stocks.
So 24 days
start the
to
countdown?
Christmas Day, December
man.
1. Thanks, Mr.
Happy December, everybody!
Thank you very much.
Today suddenly felt different. Thank you, Mr. Acre.
So we welcome our
Appreciate
friends
it.
on OneSpotMedia.com, Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, Snapchat at SmileJam TVJ, and also on TelevisionJamaica.com.
30 days has September, April, June, and November.
Let me say good morning and thanks to Mrs. Elisa Spence. Neville Spence works with us, and his wife kindly sent this for us.
I was wondering what this is behind there, but it's a ballerina. Look, you see her? She dances her foot into the hair part. Like, I would show you, but no, wait, not hurry, you have to frame it at the come work, you have to show the ballerina. Ah, see her?
Yeah.
This is her leg right here. Ah,
Mr. Elisa, I kind of search the bag for the ways tonight.
Nothing else in
Nothing to eat or to spend or anything.
You can eat the gingerbread, man.
You can?
It's edible.
Okay.
Go ahead.
No, you eat yours and
no,
then
I'm not hungry. You go
I'm not
first.
hungry yet. But
No,
thank you so much, Mrs. Spence. Really appreciate it. And I also want to say good morning to my colleague Cynthia Pottinger, who lost her mom.
No way.
Yeah, I
When?
think it was Friday. I think it was last Friday.
Oh,
she was a
Cynthia
huge
went.
fan of our show here. So since I hope you are all right. Who else? And Donovan Dick has also lost his mom, I'm being told now. So condolences to Cynthia and family, and to Donovan and family. Hope you have some strength in this tough time. All right, time to get up because it is 6 o'clock. We have a great show as we always do, and of course you've got stuff to do also. You have to move around and get ready to go. So,
I think you might have to finish the show by yourself today.
why?
I don't think I can stay in here.
Why?
It's too cold.
You're good now.
You're so gentle.
Thank you.
That actually feels a whole lot better.
Oh, there you go. What's coming up this morning?
All right, so here's what's coming up this morning. As you know, on today's show,
In this age of technology, are holiday cards still relevant? You get your talk back. I can't remember when last I sent a Christmas card or gave one.
Still exists. I saw the talk back. I was like, oh my gosh. Anyway, many persons look up to other people to be their role models, wanting to pattern their decisions, their lives, or behavior after those they admire. So in our 7 o'clock block this morning, we're discussing the influence of role models.
Yeah, and every nation needs builders, and NCB is going to introduce us to the 2017 nominees of its Nation Builder Awards,
Right,
3 different categories.
Okay.
We'll talk about that later on.
Then, Grace Kennedy and Grace Kitchens are going to show us the versatility of its Grace hams. I'm here for that, and I will have your share. It's okay.
Question.
You don't have to have any. Yes?
They don't have mid-year and early-year and hams? Seriously, is just Christmas ham come out?
No.
Oh, man, you know, woolly thing about ham.
Because Christmas is really the season when you push.
So people eat ham right through the year?
Yeah.
And you can't just go in a supermarket and buy ham in July?
Yes, because the abattoirs exist everywhere. Well, not everywhere. There's one in Sav. I know Grace has one in Sav. And there are other companies who have abattoirs.
So come in, you know about I hear about pork,
really
but I've never heard about ham.
It's really a Christmas tradition.
Okay. But you have it.
It's year-round.
Okay.
Year-round.
All right. And also, folks, this morning, the Beauty Spot brings along an international makeup artist to show off some Maybelline products.
So you think pig only come around at Christmas
No, that's
time?
why I said no, there's pork. But
Then pork and ham the same thing?
not really.
Why?
Because when you go up to buy lunch in the day, you I say, yeah, pork, you want some pork, I expect.
But pork get from the pig.
No, I'm not saying you're wrong, I am just saying, I just don't hear about ham any other time in the year but Christmas. I know there's pork and there's bacon and I know all kind of stuff, but you never, see this big ham in a
Ham is just a variation of the pig. like pork is.
Okay.
Is it even really a variation?
Or
They
is
cut off
this-
like a certain part of the pig to give it a ham. But then I say meat. Tips and tips, folks. They're going to give us a lesson this morning in pairing wines with a meal.
And something to smile about gets us in the Christmas spirit.
Oh, it's me again. Plus, we get your help to decide today's rollout winner. Stay tuned for that. But first, we head into our hot topics. Cue music, and let's go. Okay, so we may be doing well in other areas, but apparently we're understanding that Jamaica may not receive validation from the WHO.
Today's World AIDS
Yes,
Day, by the way.
before the year 2020, because we have not been able to eliminate mother-to-child transmission of HIV and syphilis. This comes to light, as Never said, today is World AIDS Day. Mother-to-child transmission is the transmission of HIV from the HIV-positive mother to the child during pregnancy, labor, delivery, or breastfeeding. And we are along with 6 other nations who have not been able to do so.
Well, they said Jamaica's Spanish-speaking neighbor Cuba became the first country to be validated. 2 years
course, I'm not
later,
surprised by
Anguilla,
that.
Antigua, Bermuda, Cayman, Montserrat, and St. Kitts and Nevis are the countries being recognized at a validation ceremony in St. Kitts and Nevis today. Now, Dr. Skies explained that at the start of the process, they looked at HIV and that portion of the elimination is on track. She says, however, the syphilis portion is not on track. And that's why we're trying to sort that out. So that's why we've not applied for validation, because both sets of targets have to be met before you can apply.
I was wondering when I heard this, because I know that our HIV transmission from child to mother has been greatly reduced.
Yeah.
But it's the syphilis is giving the problem.
Yeah.
I see. So we're going to have to wait. When is the next
Apparently,
validation? Next
apparently
year?
they said we can't get it until 2020 because you have to go 2 years. You have to meet 2 targets for 2 consecutive years.
Yeah, okay.
So she says as at the end of 2016 we still had challenges, so it would be 2017, 2018,
Gotcha. Take
which
us into
means
2020.
it's about 2020 before we can be
Okay.
validated.
All right, well, let's do it. We can do it.
So
We're making
apparently
progress.
Member of Parliament Lisa Hanna is in the news again, this time because apparently she wore a sleeveless dress to Parliament. It is attention-seeking, said St Andrew West Rural MP Gillette Cuthbert Flynn. House Speaker Mr Charles has written to Ms Hanna, reminding her of the dress code. But there were some interesting comments regarding that. Karen Anderson says this is why productive business cannot get done in the country, because to be discussing sleeves, even though there's a dress code, Ms Hanna looks very professional. Gillette Cuthbert Flynn, get with the program and stop wasting time. Mr. Tony James says, I believe that in modern society one should be allowed to wear what is comfortable to them, even though there are rules, Mr. James. R.A. or Ranella, women need to stick together and stop putting down one another. Sharon Banton, I find that all of a sudden someone is out for her. What's this, Haggip? I can't believe this is what the MPs in Gordon House are concerned about while crime and criminals are running amok. Seriously? Ryder says Lisa doesn't have to seek attention, it comes to her. And Vince says nothing but distraction from the egregious breach of the Standing Order of Parliament in passing the intrusive NIDS bill. This is a relic of British colonial days.
What is immodest about what Lisa has on right now?
I don't see anything wrong with that.
I mean, to my mind, this to have a sleeve on it is not a full sleeve or a long sleeve, but there is a capped sleeve.
Yep.
I think it would have been about 3 inches up for it to have been a sleeveless dress. I don't see a plunging neckline, and I don't see the issue. If you have rules in Parliament, the rules must be observed.
Right,
I understand that.
But
there's debate as to whether this is a sleeveless dress, 1. 2, the kind of comments that I see about, you know, maybe we should all break the rules, and it's just got ridiculous. And we need to, like, bring it back, figure out, define, I guess, what sleeveless is, what sleeveless isn't. The rules are there, the laws are there. Do we need definitions? Do we not need definitions? Do we need to fix anything? Do we not need to fix anything? But can we just move on? Because, you know.
yeah, well, I agree with Sim that the rules ought to be followed, but I kind of feel Well, me personally have some other things where me could have get upset about. That wouldn't be one of them, to be honest.
No, but the rules are, I mean,
No,
apparently
that's
the
why I said
mayor
I
had to
agree
go
with you.
tireless. So
No,
if you go
I-
tireless, that's a problem.
No, I agree
and
with that
there's
the
certain
rules
things that can't-
must be followed.
Right. But if, I mean, I could understand if it were like a,
Yeah.
anyway.
Or
Next.
maybe they need to look at the rules or something, I don't know.
Well, that too, but until then.
Yeah.
All right, so here we go. Another one, folks, biting the dust.
Russell
Matt Lauer
Simmons.
just shocked me to no ends, but here we go with Russell Simmons now stepping down from companies following assault allegations, sexual assault allegations against him. He's accused of several, let me see, the company has been accused of sexual assault by writer Jenny Lumet, or is this Lumet?
I think it's
don't know if it's French.
I think it's Lumet.
Frosh, who says he forced her into activities in 1991, a long time ago, you know. But if it is Bidu, it was Bidu. For his part, Simmons has said, while I've never been violent, I've been thoughtless and insensitive in some of my relationships over many decades, and I sincerely and humbly apologize. Whatever.
And then there was Matt Law. That I was really surprised when I read this one. He has apologized, and he says, while some of the accusations are untrue or mischaracterized, he says there is enough truth in these stories to make me feel embarrassed and ashamed. He was fired from the Today Show after some 20 years.
Mischaracterized?
Yeah.
Dude, you had a button in your on your desk, underneath your desk in your office that
To
you
lock
could
in
lock
people.
from the inside. I mean, you dropped your pants when people came in there, and you sent people sex toys as gifts and told them what you want. I
Yeah.
don't know what the mischaracter. I just apologize and not say anything more.
Yeah.
Just, what is going on? Anyway,
Coming out
apparently
of
it's
the-
not going on. It's
coming
been happening,
coming out
but
of
it's
the woodwork
coming out.
now.
Yeah.
There you go. Unfortunately.
Whoa! All right. So finally, we have time for this one, Footy. There's somebody, an Iranian, who apparently is obsessed. I guess that's the only word you can really use, with Angelina Jolie. She's a huge fan, and so she's trying her best to look like her.
Look at that. What's that? What is that? What is that? No, sir. Well, first thing, she don't look anything like Angelina Jolie. That's the first thing. I'm not certain what she or who she looks like. Oh, incredible. There you go.
That's what she looked like before?
Too light. In the red dress? That's her in the red dress? And she wanted, well, no comment. That's the only thing I can say is no comment. All right,
She looks like a vappy.
birthdays.
No way, no man. God no.
Yeah,
So,
birthdays.
eh?
Birthdays. Wow. Happy birthday to Pamela Phillips. Happy birthday, Pam. Greetings coming from Winston Carter Sr.
50 procedures.
Oh, you don't know that. Tricia, sons Junior and Cleon, and your grandson, Brandon. Miss Pam, you have grandson? I know you have grandson. Happy birthday to Lisa Williams from her mom, son Wajay Jonas from Damani, Auntie Yvette. They say happy birthday. Happy birthday to, hold on, I have a picture here. I have to show this
Wow,
picture.
sir.
Oh, you're still not done yet?
Drop?
You still
No,
not
I'm
done yet?
shocked. That girl is not red. That's,
Yeah,
that's a headspace problem, though.
Happy birthday. This is Natalie Richards Thompson. Natalie, hope you have a great day today. Greetings coming from your brother-in-law,
Nice
Ricky.
nuts.
Yep, and your friend Jody. Happy birthday to Damani. Have a look. Brighten you up a little bit. Damani Sulphits tomorrow. It's from your mom, Marcia, your dad, Dwight, and your brother, Mikhail. Happy birthday to Mrs. Hope Bennett. Very, very special happy birthday, Mrs. Bennett. Your son say I must say, oh, well, you are, but I won't.
Don't.
No, I won't. 'Cause you
You
look
do
like
that.
about 13. So have an absolutely amazing day. It's coming from your son, Simon, from all of us here and from the rest of the family. Well, yes, I have another one here. Belated happy birthday to my sister Janelle Giles, who celebrated her 15th birthday yesterday. Happy birthday to my dad, Colin Giles, whose birthday is today. It's coming from Tandika. Happy birthday to Verona Harrow. And it's coming from your brother Everald and the rest of the family. He says, have a God blessed day and they love you. And happy birthday to Everald Harrow.
When is his birthday?
Tomorrow. Him never know me know, you know. Quietly. Him never know me know. So happy birthday to Everald. What do you call your wife? Chuni?
What?
All right,
what?
so it's coming from your wife, Chuni. There he is. That's my manager.
Ah, look at this girls. I got a little hug up.
So he was the one who brought the birthday greeting for his sister, but I never said anything because...
You tricked him?
No, well, we started out.
Okay.
I personally got a message from his wife and she said she like how I deal with him as manager and thing. And
yeah, as in make him dead for hungry.
Yeah. All right, so we'll buy a breakfast this morning. So, all right, sir? It's a very simple thing.
It's never going to happen.
What?
My godbrother.
I mean,
oh gosh, you guys.
Of those who lived and died for the oneness of all people. So let us all begin